Hey everybody, and welcome back to Mission Control for a feature-focused video. In this video, we're talking about group layout from Capture. As of version 16 of Titan, you can use Capture to lay out your fixtures in the group layout editor for use with shapes and effects. After making the group and going to the editor, then from the context menu, choose Arrange Fixtures, then press From Capture. Now in the soft keys, you'll have the following options: Projection Equal. This allows you to choose which direction of the view the editor will arrange from, either the top, the side, or the front. Remember, our context menu is the 4 lines button on the window in Titan Go, Sapphire Touch, and the D9 series. On all the other consoles, it's going to be just to the left of soft keys B, C, and D. They're circled in this image. We can also set our scale. This allows you to choose the grid, how the grid will scale. The default is 100% equals 1 meter. Use this to scale the layout compared to your Capture layout. You may want to go larger or smaller depending on the effects you wish to achieve. You can have it either all elements or the selected elements, and you can have it apply or apply and exit. So let's have a look at that. Here I am on version 16 of Titan on the Titan Go virtual interface. So we'll go ahead and go to our fixtures and groups workspace, and we'll go ahead and just make a new group, and we'll choose all of our Beam 150s here and our QPix panels, and we'll just make a new group here. And we'll exit and clear. Actually, I'm going to set its legend to be back wall instead. And then we'll go back to our groups and palettes window. Actually, our workspace here has Capture up on it. Let's see if I select these fixtures and give them a locate. We can see where all those fixtures are in our Capture space. So go ahead and hit clear. Now if we go to our Shapes and Effects, Pixel Mapper, Edit Group Layout, and we choose this back wall, we can see that it'll put all of our fixtures in one big row, which is how a default is in a group. So if we go ahead and go to our context menu, and then Arrange Fixtures, and then From Capture, we choose our projection. In this case, we're going to use the front. We set our scale for these particular fixtures because it's the cells of the fixtures also. I'm going to go with a 900% scale, which gives me one cell equals 0.11 meters. We're going to have it do all elements, and we'll go ahead and apply it and see that it arranged our fixtures out for us automatically. Let's see if we zoom to fit it here, make it a little larger. If we zoom in, we'll see we got some that are a little funky, not sitting quite on the grid. So what we can do is go ahead and we'll just hit apply and exit just to exit this. I'll show that one more time. We go ahead and select all of our fixtures. In our context menu, go ahead and click Snap Select Fixtures to Grid. And now we can see that all of our fixtures are laid out properly on the grid. We can now use this with shapes and effects. So we'll go ahead and exit here and close this window to save it. And we'll hit clear, and we'll select our back wall, and we'll go Shapes and Effects, Pixel Mapper, Create Effect, and we'll choose our layer 1, and we'll add an element to it real quick here, and we'll hit our black hole sun button, and we'll zoom our layer up, and we'll give it an animation. And see that it has all of our fixtures laid out already for us. Zoom out a little bit better here. Get all the fixtures in there. There we go. Or this, of course, could also be used with a keyframe shape. So if we were to select our same back wall fixture here, and then we'll go Shapes and Effects, Keyframe Shape, Create, and we'll just have our quick build. We'll make a quick color one, and then finish recording frames. And we'll set our spread to 4. Enter, and we'll bring our dim up so we can see them. And we change our direction to top to bottom. We can see it does that. Or we can change it to be center out and see that it's using our layout for that. So that has been group layout from Capture. I hope you learned something. Join us on Facebook at Avolites US. Join us here next time. Please subscribe. Thanks. Bye.
Wheel stop.
Roger, wheel stop, Discovery. Welcome back. A great ending to the new beginning.